Has your business been a victim of ransomware? Here are 3 easy steps to avoid future attacks. Number 1. Backup. Make sure your current IT provider has a robust backup solution for your company data in place. If in doubt, call us to review your current solution. Number 2. Mitigate. Regular software patching of Microsoft Windows is a must. Combine a managed update solution with antivirus protection to reduce the risk of further attacks. Number 3. Educate. Ransomware comes in all shapes and sizes, from a simple email to a zip file. Make sure your staff are aware of the attack vectors and what these tend to look like. Regular awareness training will reduce your risk of ransomware and protect your company's data. Get in touch with us today for a full review of your IT security.